It's the first time I have this. The weather crew is not just about weather. Sometimes we take some risk. It's 6:20. I'm Tom. Join me just one day as a weather crew. I'm just looking where we have to go. Radio just in case if we don't have a connection. This is for the humidity. We always use it on the last report. And this is my best friend, sensor for the temperature. We need to check any loose snow on the line, any ruts, gravel, any rocks inside or outside. So it's okay for the first section, first part, it's only 2 kilometers to do. So we connect the sensor to the application, minus 20.3.4. And now we look at the ground, minus 21 for the ground. I'm taking pictures on the entry of the corner. We have maybe like a little cut, so I will test it. Look if any rocks or something like inside. And I can tell here on the pictures, little cut, it's okay. It's done for this corner. Okay, it was the last corner of the section, so now we can go back to the car and send the pictures. Minus 21. Now we did the whole section for the pictures, so now I will send the whole pictures to the coordinator and the second report because it's time. Minus 20.7. Sometimes we take some risk for the humidity. For the moment 66. But I think it's going to be 83, 82. Now it's we are going to take the pictures before the second pass. Now I can see that on the next corner there is a big cut. The weather crew is not just about weather, it's about the evolution of the corner and the road. It's very dangerous for the tires. So I put in a comment in red. So when it's red, it's like attention. This is very sharp for this stone, so we have to be precise. We are the route node crew on gravel and snow events, so we are the eyes for the driver before the rally, so before the stage. They can cut, but not too much. Just one wheel. Okay, last pictures. Done for today for the pictures. I'm going to send the whole pictures to Arthur and make my comment of the whole section, and it will be done. Let's go. So the whole pictures send it to Arthur with the comment. Now I have to stay to send 2 more reports on temperature, and after we can go to the service park. Minus 14.2, minus 12.8. It was the final report for the temperature and the humidity, so we are done and we can go back to the service park and have a good dinner.